Welcome to the enchanting world of the American beaver, the ultimate architect of the animal kingdom. Today, we delve into the life of this fascinating creature, exploring its behavior, habitat, and the crucial role it plays in our ecosystem. The American beaver, a marvel of nature, thrives across the lush landscapes of North America. With a scientific name, Castor canadensis, these remarkable creatures are known for their engineering prowess, crafting intricate dams and lodges that reflect their resourcefulness and adaptability. As they glide through rivers and lakes, their distinctive tails slap the water, announcing their presence with an unmistakable rhythm. Armed with powerful front teeth, beavers possess an extraordinary ability to gnaw through the toughest bark and wood. As they forage for materials, the snap of twigs and branches fills the air, a testament to their relentless pursuit of building perfect habitats. The sound of wood shavings cascading down as they work tirelessly is a melody of industriousness, encapsulating the essence of their life. These mammals are more than mere builders, they are skilled architects. A beaver's dam transforms the swift current of a river into a tranquil pond. The resulting stillness offers a haven for countless aquatic species, creating a rich ecosystem where fish, frogs, and birds coexist. This ability to alter landscapes highlights the beaver's role as a keystone species, essential for the health of their environment. The beaver's innate instincts govern their life cycle. As the seasons change, they tirelessly collect food and materials to prepare for winter. Their impressive storage techniques, bottling food beneath the icy surface, demonstrate foresight and resilience. The sight of them diligently working through the autumn laden with branches paints a portrait of perseverance against the backdrop of nature's rhythm. With strong family bonds, beavers engage in social activities that are both playful and necessary for their survival. From grooming to food sharing, these interactions are crucial for nurturing their young. The young kits, once small and timid, soon join the ranks of their industrious parents, learning the ways of water and wood under the watchful eye of their elders. As dusk settles, the beavers retreat to their lodges, snugly built with branches and mud, designed to withstand the tests of time. The tranquility of the watery habitat envelops them as moonlight twinkles on the surface, a gentle reminder of their persistence and love for their domain. The American beaver truly embodies the spirit of nature's industriousness, leaving an indelible mark on both the landscape and the hearts of those who observe their fascinating lives. Beavers are nature's architects, their remarkable building skills transforming landscapes into thriving ecosystems. Armed with strong teeth and tenacious determination, these industrious creatures gather branches, mud, and stones, meticulously crafting dams. Each log and clump of mud added to their creation is a testament to their hard work and ingenuity, reflecting their desire to create a safe abode. As they gnaw through the thick bark of trees, the sharp sound of wood cracking fills the air, signaling the beginning of a magnificent engineering project. The construction of a dam is a collaborative effort, showcasing the essence of teamwork among beavers. Family members work in unison, each contributing to the towering structure that will ultimately serve as their fortress. With unyielding persistence, they transport materials through the water, navigating their own private kingdom. As branches are interlocked and mud is packed tightly between them, the dam begins to take shape, gradually forming a barrier that will hold back the water and create a tranquil pond behind it. These ponds offer much more than just a home. They provide a sanctuary amidst the chaos of nature. The still waters foster an environment teeming with life, attracting a myriad of species that find refuge within. Frogs leap among the lily pads, fish dart beneath the surface, and insects buzz above. For beavers, the ponds serve as safe havens, shielding them from predators lurking nearby. The shallow waters allow for the easy access of food, primarily consisting of aquatic plants and other vegetation, ensuring that the beaver family is well fed and healthy. As the sun sets and casts a warm glow over the serene pond, the beaver lodge emerges from the water like a mystical fortress, blending seamlessly into its surroundings. This ingenious structure, constructed from twigs and branches, becomes a cozy den for the young kits. Within these walls, they are nurtured and raised in safety, learning the essential skills needed for survival. Within the embrace of this tranquil oasis, beavers continue their age-old legacy, magnificent builders who leave an indelible mark on the ecosystem. In the world of beavers, family life begins in the safest of havens, their dams. These remarkable structures serve not only as homes, but as protective nurseries where beaver kits are born. Here, in the heart of their aquatic fortress, new life emerges, surrounded by the gentle sounds of flowing water and the soft rustle of leaves. The kits are born into a close-knit family unit, where every moment is an opportunity for learning and growth in the embrace of their parents' unwavering care. The early days of a beaver kit's life are marked by a profound sense of security. Nestled within the dam, the kits remain sheltered from predators and harsh weather. As they begin to open their eyes to the world, they instinctively sense the safety afforded by their unique surroundings. It's here, in this warm sanctuary, that they will embark on a journey filled with curiosity and exploration, guided by the gentle nudges of their watchful parents. These nurturing roles are essential. The kits learn not just how to survive, but how to thrive in their natural habitat. As weeks pass, the beaver kits expand their horizons, venturing out from their cozy nest to experience the wonders of their watery home. They first learn how to swim, a skill vital for their survival in the wild. The shimmering surface of the water beckons them, and with each tentative splash they gain confidence. Swimming alongside their parents, the kits absorb techniques for navigating their environment like little sponges, their enthusiasm radiating as they practice paddling and diving. Foraging begins shortly after mastering the art of swimming. Under the watchful eyes of their parents, these young beavers learn to recognize the finest aquatic plants and bark that constitute their diet. Each foraging expedition becomes a playful adventure, and the kits begin to understand the delicate balance of their ecosystem. Their parents show them how to gather food and transport it back to the dam, emphasizing teamwork and the importance of community. As they grow, the kits also contribute to the construction of their dam, learning the intricate techniques involved in building this remarkable natural fortress. With pawfuls of mud and twigs in their grasp, they become little architects, mimicking the movements of their parents. This process not only strengthens family bonds, but solidifies their understanding of their role within the larger world that surrounds them. With each lesson learned, these beaver kits are not just preparing for their future. They are ensuring the continued legacy of their species. In the enchanting ecosystem where waterways meet forested landscapes, beavers thrive, revealing the wonders of semi-aquatic life. With their robust, muscular bodies, beavers are designed for a dual existence, seamlessly transitioning between land and water. Their large, webbed hind feet serve as powerful paddles, propelling them gracefully through the water. Observing a beaver in its natural habitat as it swims is mesmerizing, as it glides effortlessly, showcasing its profound connection to this aquatic realm. Beneath the surface, an extraordinary behavior unfolds. Beavers can hold their breath for up to 15 minutes, a remarkable adaptation that equips them for foraging and construction. As they dive, their large, flat tails propel them deeper into the depths, a thrilling spectacle as they explore the underwater world. With keen eyes and sharp teeth, these ingenious creatures gather an array of materials essential for their dam-building endeavors, from sturdy branches to flexible twigs. The art of gathering is a sight to behold as beavers maneuver deftly, demonstrating a blend of strength and agility. The construction of a dam is a monumental task that speaks to a beaver's industrious nature. Armed with impressive teeth capable of gnawing through wood with ease, the beaver meticulously assembles its aquatic fortress, creating a habitat that benefits not only itself, but also countless other species within the ecosystem. As the structure rises, a serene pond forms behind it, transforming the landscape and offering a sanctuary for various forms of life, from fish to amphibians. This change in environment fosters biodiversity, illustrating the critical role beavers play in maintaining ecological balance. Yet beyond their remarkable engineering skills, beavers exhibit a sense of family loyalty. Living in cohesive family units, they work collaboratively, teaching the young ones the ways of dam building and underwater foraging. The sight of a beaver family engaged in these activities is a heartwarming testament to the nurturing behaviors that exist within the animal kingdom. Together, they forge bonds that are as vital as the structures they create, ensuring the survival of the next generation. In essence, beavers exemplify mastery over their semi-aquatic existence, embodying the perfect interplay between land and water. Their exceptional adaptations and relentless work ethic not only define their lives, but also remind us of the subtle complexities of nature, where every creature fulfills a vital role in the larger tapestry of life. As we observe beavers thrive in their element, we are invited to appreciate the beauty of their world and the significance of their presence within our ecosystems. Beavers are not just remarkable for their ability to construct homes from wood and mud. Their engineering prowess extends into the ecosystem itself, profoundly influencing the environment around them. These industrious creatures tirelessly build dams across streams and rivers, creating ponds that serve as sprawling wetlands. As water backs up behind these structures, it transforms the landscape, leading to a plethora of ecological benefits that resonate far beyond the beaver's immediate surroundings. The wetlands formed by beaver dams are a boon for biodiversity. They serve as crucial habitats for a myriad of species, providing food, shelter, and breeding grounds. Fish thrive in the still waters of beaver ponds, while amphibians find safe havens to lay their eggs. The riparian zones surrounding these wetlands flourish with lush vegetation, attracting a diverse array of wildlife. Birds flock to these rich environments, where they can forage for insects and seeds, while also finding nesting sites in the dense foliage that beavers inadvertently create. Moreover, the impact of a beaver's engineering goes beyond mere habitat formation. It plays a vital role in water conservation and enhancing water quality. The ponds help to regulate water temperatures, providing a cooler environment that can benefit aquatic life. Additionally, the slow-moving waters allow sediments to settle, filtering pollutants and enriching the ecosystem with healthy nutrients. This natural filtration system is essential, as it maintains the health of waterways, thus ensuring the survival of countless aquatic organisms and plants. Beaver-created wetlands also possess the unique ability to mitigate flooding. During heavy rains or snowmelt, these wetlands act like sponges, absorbing excess water and reducing downstream flooding risks. By slowing the flow of water, beaver dams lessen the erosion of banks and protect the landscape, safeguarding both human structures and natural habitats alike. This remarkable ability highlights the beaver's importance not just as an individual species, but as a keystone species that holds the potential to shape entire ecosystems. In essence, the beaver is more than just a furry rodent. It is a powerful architect of nature, fostering habitats that bolster biodiversity and contribute significantly to ecological health. Their diligence in building wetlands illustrates how a single species can remarkably influence the world around them, encouraging a vibrant tapestry of life that benefits numerous organisms and landscapes. The humble beaver stands as a testament to nature's intricate interconnections, reminding us of the profound impact that wildlife can have on biodiversity. Beavers are often referred to as ecosystem engineers. Their activities help regulate water flow, prevent soil erosion, and improve water quality. In many ways, they contribute to the health of entire ecosystems. They create wetlands that act as natural filters for pollutants, which benefit surrounding environments, agriculture, and even human communities nearby. As seasons change, so do the behaviors of beavers. In winter, they continue to access food buried beneath the ice. With a keen understanding of their environment, these resourceful animals ensure their survival in the harshest of conditions. But beavers face challenges too. Habitat loss, climate change, and human encroachment threaten their populations. Conservation efforts are essential to ensure that future generations can marvel at these remarkable builders. From the rippling streams where they build their homes to the vital ecosystems they create, American beavers are not just animals. They are vital contributors to the health and balance of our natural world. Join us in celebrating and preserving these incredible creatures for generations to come.